Is AI ready to take over your prescription refills? Utah is trying to figure that out. Doctronix's AI prescription refill program allows Utah residents to skip the doctor's office and get their medicines refilled online. Leigh Waldman has more about this program.
You can't have high access to healthcare without bringing down the costs. And so that is really the focus of what we're trying to do. I'm Adam.
Doctronix co-founders created the AI program to connect people to healthcare. The prescription refill program was developed out of a necessity. Adam Oskowitz saw himself as a doctor.
We focused on an area that we felt was something that was a big friction point for both patients and physicians, but was also lower risk.
The program cannot create new prescriptions. It can only refill existing ones. On its website, Doctronic details the 190 medications currently available. Utah became the first state to authorize an AI system to participate in the medical decision-making process.
We take the data and we run it through our AI and then use human doctors to verify that it's all safe and accurate.
An assessment by the state of Utah of the first 5 months of the pilot program shows in the cases where AI recommended medication renewal, reviewing physicians overwhelmingly agreed. Dr. Eric Bresman with the University of Pennsylvania's School of Medicine sees the value in AI's involvement, but wants to ensure it follows the same rigorous standards human doctors are held to.
What I would like to see is a framework that has been sort of outlined in advance that outlines these benchmarks and competencies ahead of time. And that I want that to look a little bit more like what we think about when we're licensing humans to practice.
Bresman also pointed out that certain medications like blood thinners and cardiac drugs should be monitored closely and should not always be renewed.
So during phase 1 of the pilot program, every prescription is reviewed by a licensed medical practitioner. Doctronic expects to transition to fully automatic refills as this program progresses.